How to recognize the energy of your soul. Exercise by Jesus Sananda. Dear brothers, I am Jesus. Feel my energy and my presence as I embrace you all. My heart is filled with joy to share this day with you. We are on the same journey. I am here to remind you of your true nature and purpose. Feel tenderness and kindness towards yourselves. What everyone needs in their lives is the embrace of a mother, just now when you meditated and connected with me as a newborn baby. You may have noticed that this baby is you, in need of support and comfort. Every time a baby is born on earth, and every time an elderly person dies, it is a sacred moment. Birth and death are sacred moments. In those moments, the people who are present and witnessing a birth or a death can feel the soul of the person being born or dying. They can sense the greatness and the miracle of it, hence they feel reverence and respect. Now I ask you to reconnect with who you were just when you entered this world. When you were a baby, it is not necessary to look at a photograph of yourself. Just have the intention to do so, a newborn baby. Now welcome this baby into the world. Open your heart and your arms and tell them how welcome they are and how beautiful they are. Sing them a song and tell them that you are there to take care of them, that you are the guardian angel of this baby, the you to whom I speak now. The you embracing this baby is your soul, the baby within you. It was confused when it entered this world with all these new energies around it. The baby was taught to repress its own energy, to hide its unique qualities. But when that happened, its soul was relegated to the background. Your soul was there, waiting with compassion and patience for opportunities for you to remember who you really are. Then you see that your inner child had to suffer a lot as it grew up because it lost the embrace of home, of its true mother. But your soul knew, when this life began, that there would be challenges as opportunities for you to awaken to your soul, and your soul now comes closer to you to let you know that it is there. Feel the energy of your soul here and now. You recognize it by the feelings of joy, of kindness and gentleness that are generated. The soul wants to assure you that you are good, pure, and beautiful. Dare to receive that healing energy for yourself. Say, yes, I am pure, I am beautiful. Remember the pure and innocent baby you were, and now praise them for their bravery. Imagine this child inside you now, a little older, so you can talk to them. You are a guardian angel, and you tell them how brave and powerful they are. Ask the child if there is something you can do for them, if there is something they need from me. You have to understand that this child I speak of is the human. Your soul wants to help you at a human level, but you, as a human being, are the one who really does it, the channel of your soul's energy. Take great care of yourself. Treat yourself with kindness and respect. Now imagine that the energy of your soul flows towards you through the top of your head. Very softly and gently, the energy flows through your head to your shoulders and your heart. The kinder you treat and understand yourself, the more open you will be to your soul's energy. Your soul has deep compassion for you and wants nothing more than to reach your wounded parts. Allow that process to occur and let your soul descend even further into your abdomen, and then the energy flows down through your hips and the upper part of your legs to your feet touching the ground and Mother Earth. Simply inhale the energy of your soul. All of you came from a celestial realm, so beautiful and pure, without worries. You are like a beautiful bird or butterfly that comes to Earth temporarily to share your beauty. The world needs exactly this vibration. Your light is unique. It's like an exquisite flower. Follow any image that arises from your mind and maybe even smell it, but admire this flower. Let your true talents, gifts to the world shine. I want you to know that, in addition to the energy of your own soul, you are always surrounded by guides who love you, surrounded by love and your soul, wanting to caress you at this moment. Thank you for being I am Jesus Sananda. What a beautiful message from our Master Jesus. I send you a hug of light. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light. Voiced by Somos Positivos Mundial. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.